Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 149 State Street in Manchester.
This is an amazing cash cow investment opportunity with 3 rental units and a 3-car garage.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This amazing investment opportunity includes 3 mint condition units. Starting with apartment 1, a first floor owner's unit with a private parking lot and entryway. Featuring an open kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry and a dining area with maintenance-free flooring and access to the private patio. A spacious living room with a ceiling fan and great natural light, plus 3 spacious bedrooms, an updated bathroom with a walk-in shower and separate laundry. Apartment 2 is another first-floor unit with 9-foot ceilings and a convenient open floor plan, with a spacious eat-in kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry and tile floors, open to the expansive living room with bamboo floors, and 2 spacious bedrooms, private laundry, and an updated full bathroom. Apartment 3 is a great second-floor unit with a private entryway and a shared porch, featuring a spacious kitchen with beautiful cabinetry and maintenance-free flooring, 3 spacious bedrooms, a full bathroom, laundry, and a walk-up attic for great storage.
This investment property has 2 on-site parking areas and a 3-car garage situated on over a half an acre. Manchester is a charming village with easy access to the city of Canandaigua and Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine investing here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 149 State Street in Manchester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and commercial specialist worldwide.
Cheers to investing here!